So snoring ripped my family apart and it led to divorce. But spoiler alert, we're actually back together. So really when people hear that, they hear, wait, snoring tore your family apart? BS. Like they don't believe it. But really it comes down to this fundamental idea of snoring is a catalyst for all these other things, right? And the John Gottman Institute actually did this great study over years and years and years of them being around, and they study couples and what makes couples work and what doesn't work. And they came up with this concept of the magic ratio. And I think this really encapsulates why snoring led to this issue